J Productions.
Run it out.
Came from the bottom of the bottom like I'm under the basement. I'm from the jungle, you can't have no how else they gon' take it. I be with lion, tigers, bears, and a couple gorillas. I cut the head off of the snakes, I heard that's how you kill them. Think it's about time I talk my shit, fuck all that being humble. This rap shit easy, give me a beat, that bitch get ate like gumbo. If it's about paper, point me to it, bitch, I'm on it pronto. They say he ballin' like the rap to send him to Toronto. Ain't no losses when you solid, that's just God giving lessons. Curse with demons, so I feel my girl, that's really a blessing. They keep my name up in their mouth, but won't say shit to my face. They know it's murder that she wrote, cause I'm a expression, no maze. Was born an angel, but my past really turned me to the devil. They don't know me, just what they heard, that's why they call me a rebel. Bitch, this shit I'm dripping different, but not slipping that puddle. He tried to run off with that sack, but the headshot made him fumble. From the bottom, trying to make it to the top of the mountain. They see we next, so they are trying to exercise like we Malcolm. We used to post up at that shit, go like our name on the mortgage. Stealing shit like every day, cause we couldn't afford it. I miss my brother Flipper, that boy was the youngest in charge. Getting high, just trying to see him how I end up on Mars. Bitch, I'm just chasing like me, beside me the Maybach music. If I want it, then I got it, bitch, I'm like Nike, just do it. They be like, run it up, where you been, damn, how you been living? You ain't been posted on the strip, I ain't seen you in a minute. The ops keep saying this and that like you ain't bout shit, you rapping. Like you and mama when I hit patch shit since Herb started rapping. Mama used to be a junkie, Pop's the one who was selling it. 6 years old, he taught me how to use a hammer like I'm Nellis. Where I'm from is 2 rules, 12 get you, been not telling. Don't jump in that water, them ain't no more sharks, they train to step on. My brothers with me though, they watch Miami move like I'm the president. We was broke as fuck, but we been moving up like George Jefferson. They keep saying I'm the one, all I can say is no cap. And yes, we really got these bitches throwing bees, no bout. It's fourth quarter, current time, I can feel the pressure. But I'm like Jordan versus Jazz, scoring on whoever. I got the Glock of the FN, can't do no more Berettas. Ain't even one to bust your brain, especially over chatter. When I get rich, watch how they all get to acting like they know me. Yeah, she bad, but she ain't right.